It's really important for technical professionals like actuaries to make sure they understand there's an important pairing up of skill sets that's going to help them achieve higher levels of satisfaction in their jobs, as well as higher level roles and responsibilities as they go throughout their career. You've got to pair up technical skills with good, solid, strong business skills like leadership, management, communication skills, etc. We know how valuable our time is. We know how scarce it is, but professional development is so incredibly valuable that you can't and shouldn't be skipping it. You've got to be focused on developing yourself as a professional throughout your career. One of the ways to really get at that is through online learning that can really pare down the time. And with the technology we have today, we can do so. We've got a lot of good topics spread across 2 modules. These 2 modules, when put together, really helps round out actuaries and really helps them pair their strong technical skills with a solid set of business skills, leadership skills, and management skills that they can really depend on for the remainder of their career.